So I want to quickly show you how to jack up your vehicle if you are having a truck just like this one. This is a Nissan Frontier, and you want to jack it up. Sometimes it's a little hard for you to, and a little inconvenient for you to when you want to jack up these vehicles to replace your front tires or your rear tires. So in this case I'm using an air jack. See where my hand's touching? That beam that runs across, that's where you put the jack. That's just in between the two tires. So you push in that jack there. If you're using your regular car jack, that's not an air jack like this, it's the same thing. Once you just put it in the middle there and you jack it up, the two front tires should go up. Just make sure that you have your parking brake on, and that the rear tires, you have like two stopper blocks at the back to hold those two tires to prevent the car from sliding down. And once you have put it there, then the next thing is get your jack stands like this one you see here. I'm using the 6-ton here. Just take those get your jack stands like the one you see me doing here. Take it and just slide it underneath, put it there and make sure you sit it at that very edge there, and then I'm putting this one actually has a safety pin there. So let me turn it around so you can actually see what I'm doing. So yeah, so you just take that safety catch and put it there. That prevents any accidental drop of that jack stand. So I'll do it for both sides. I'll put one on this side, put one on the on the right side also, So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. So I'll put it there. Just make sure it's resting properly on one of those on the edge of that beam, and see where I'm putting it, and you're gonna be fine. Put it there, and then insert the safety pin for that jack stand. Insert it there. Then I can go ahead and lower my jack, and that should be it for this one. All right, let's lower the jack, the air jack now. If you are using, like I said, if you are using the regular car jack also, it's the same. It's just the same process, but just make sure that thing is resting properly on that beam that runs across. That's just the best way for you to raise up your vehicle in front without you causing any accident to yourself. Now you can see the jack is out, and the car is properly lifted off of the ground. You can see the two tires are off the ground already.